Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in my tested series. Today, my friends, it is a fun test as I've got a sweet remote control car that we're going to open up and check out. So, let's get cracking. Alright friends, we're creeping up on Christmas, and this little guy can climb walls. Check it out. The car can be stored in a little case. Alright friends, this is how you charge it. Make sure it's off. And then simply plug your car into the little cord. With your car plugged in like that, if you power on the device, if the light goes green, it needs to charge. Once the charging is complete, the light will go dark. There you can go. That shows me that mine is done charging, and it blinks so that you remember to shut off the controller. With the cool little controllers here, it is super simple to drive them even on this small area right here. Okay, now that's pretty neat, but let's switch to the sweet wall climbing mode. So this is not going to be super friendly. I have got a puppy right here, and I'm going to run this little thing on the wall despite the puppy, and I'm sure she's going to want to attack it. So it may be interesting, but hey, let's see what we get. First thing you do is you turn it all the way on. And then when you take it over to the wall, it sticks to the wall. Now when I turn on the controller, I can drive on the wall. Now amazingly enough, the puppy is not having a problem. I thought for sure he was going to go over there and try and get it. So you can see it is kind of captivating. And there's all kinds of places where you could try to play with it. Oh, there, now we got the puppy looking. Hey, big girl. Not nice, don't mess with your pets. But, my friends, I think this is a pretty darn sweet toy. Sorry, Bailey. Alrighty, friends, so in conclusion, it is a fun little toy. Lots of ways that you can use this. Make sure you're nice to your animals. I was fiddling around and I didn't mess with Bailey too much, but it was a lot of fun to fiddle with. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.